Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do this 4-layer sugar skull. This is a design space image. I consider it like a mandala, so that's why I'm going to do it, but instead of using my normal glue, I'm going to use double-sided foam tape so we can see what more of a three-dimensional look we'll get out of this. So let's get started. So it's a simple one to cut out. It didn't take long at all. You just need your foam tape, a pair of scissors. I do have skinnier foam tape, but it's not as thick as this foam tape, different brand. So keep that in mind. You probably wouldn't be able to notice it, but you never know. So I just cut these guys down. It gets really sticky. But you want to have enough foam on there that you get your three-dimensional look and you don't have any sagging. You can bend the foam tape kind of into a shape, whatever shape is going to work best for your design. Make this more centered. And make sure when you're done with the scissors, just clean off the glue residue from the foam tape, or you'll go to cut your next design, paper, whatever you're cutting, and you'll be, what the heck? Okay, let's see how that's going to look. Need a little bit more right there. Don't be chintzy on the tape. Okay, let's get this one attached. Okay, all done. So you can see it's quite time consuming to use the double-sided foam tape. You do get the thicker amount, like width-wise. It's pretty tricky to cover that, but from the front view, I think it looks really good. I'm very happy with how this turned out. This would make a great Halloween decoration, especially for younger kids if you can't really do anything scary, spooky. This looks kind of cute and fun. So perfect. Well, awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.